Guys, I'm back again. It's Reaper. Today I wanna show you how can you make your kicks to sound full and to sound strong. Let's start maybe with gospel. Let's start with gospel. Let me just find plugin. Let me just use ordinary plugins. Let's say Purity, and then I go here, standard, and then I come here, check my sound. Nice. Let me put the headsets. Right. Where's my kick? Yeah. Let me put just like maybe this. Oh yeah, how this is sounding. It's not sound full, it's not sound strong. Although we are not yet mix it, but so our topic is how to make it full as the sounds you're hearing from the professional songs and like that. So what you do is then we have to just take this one, the mixer, let's say on 1, you route this one on 1, right? When you're on your mixer like this, then I like to use Sound Goodenizer. This is the use of this one. That's why you see it is on Dynamics. So use Sound Goodenizer like this. As you can hear that it's already changes the sound. It sound good, nice, a little bit nice, but not yet fix this one. Right. As you come here, I like to use what is this one? The effect relay. Right, where is it? Why is it hiding that side? Right. I like to put this one on mono. Right. When it is on mono like this, I like to change this one a little bit like this. Alright, then I like to put a little bit like this. Alright, and then you put your EQ. The EQ, use this one where you say kick, shows you how the kick is supposed to be. As you can hear, how is the kick sounding now? But you must take care of this one. When you see it's clipping like this, you must take down your fader a little bit like this. So before the after, before after. So thank you guys.